This is Tim Willis with ClickDesigns and ClickFunnels, and here in the fabulous Ghettowood Studios. And today we're going to be doing a ClickDesigns video, and we're going to be looking at the Mockup section. And this is part of our series of going through all the sections in ClickDesigns and seeing what they do. And so this is the next one on the list. And it's always the case with ClickFunnels and ClickDesigns. There'll be no fancy jump cuts, no flashbang effects, nothing but a straight up video, because I'm the most non-gimmicky person on the internet. And with that, let's go ahead and look at ClickDesigns and see what's going on. This is Tim Willis, and we're here at the main panel of ClickDesigns, and let's go ahead and open it up by clicking on View All. And we'll go ahead and make sure we're on templates and we see everything. And then we're going to go to our category toolbar here and click the arrow and go into Mockups. And mockups are sort of a weird thing, sort of a mutant section. They're sort of like a combination of a device template and a background. And so you see we have a bunch of backgrounds here, various kinds. These are monitors. Then we have choice between monitors, laptops, tablets, phones, and display. Let's go ahead and look at the display. And that's going to be things like buildings and signs. You see on the left hand side here that we have different categories, but I'm just going to stick in this main one and see what we can find. And I think I'm going to go with this one right here, this sign on this restaurant wall, and we'll load that up. And the reason I chose this template is because it's very simple for us to modify in a simple way, just to demonstrate the mockups without spending a whole lot of time creating an elaborate design. So you can see here that we only have one aspect that's changeable here, which is the sign itself, and then the rest of the background is sort of set. Now we do have wireframes where you can set your own background. We'll get that a little bit later in the video. On this one, our choices are to edit, upload, library, or export flat. They also have a color section, but that really doesn't apply here because that's the wireframe color. So if we change that to black, it makes no difference because it's the wireframe that's underneath the background. So unless the background has some open spaces in it for the actual background of the cabinet to show to you, that wouldn't make no difference. But we'll go ahead and change it back to white. And then we'll go back to images and click on edit. And I want to point out a few things they've done here. We know this is a very simple design. So let's go with this one here. So you see that this is a text image that they left a couple of spaces empty in here and then put graphics in there. This text image is a little different, is they have actually just overlaid a red O over the black one, so it's showing a little different there. And then at the bottom, this line, this is much like the top line was, where they left a space here empty and they put a graphic on that. And so that's a little technique you can use, but we're going to change something very simple here. So let's go to our images and let's search for ice cream. And I'm going to look for a graphic that will replace that ice cream there with something. I'm going to look for something that's going to be different and have a transparent background already. And I think we'll pick this one out here. Okay, so first of all, let's get rid of the old one. Let's resize this down a little bit. See how that works. And a little big still. Alrighty. And we can make it a little smaller maybe. And then we made our modification to that, and we could even... Okay, where was I? The motorcycle guy is firing up outside. And so I took a little break from trying to film. Alright, so let's go. We could even change the color of this if we wanted to maybe a different shade of red. like that. And here these are the same thing. You see how this is actually a little icon graphic, so we can actually change the red there to match. Actually, need to go back to our red there. So we take this and then go to this one and do the same thing. And we get it to match that red in the O down there. So I think that's enough for our example here. Let's go ahead and click on save. We'll come back out here and we will click save again. And there we have it, our modified mockup. So that's it for the demonstration of the mockup section in ClickDesigns. And my name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels professional, and I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, ClickDesigns, and other useful software for funnel hackers and funnel hacking. So that's it for the video. I'll see you next time.